viewers, let's get a ground check from the restaurants of Mumbai. Our colleague Ridhima Bhatnagar was at ground zero to get a sense of how Mumbai's restaurant owners are impacted by the LPG supply crisis so far. Take a look.
The ripple effects of Middle East conflict have reached India's restaurant industry as well. Major restaurants are facing disruption in LPG supply. We are here at Lucky Restaurant in Bandra, which is one of the most famous restaurants of the area, and they're already facing major disruptions in LPG.
This is very unusual and very sad. This shouldn't have happened, and it's going to be an havoc. And very soon, my supplies itself is going to be till evening, 4 to 5. After that, most probably I'll have to shut down myself because there's no cylinder at all. They're not giving me supplies. They're saying no, mal nahi aaya, stocks have not come. For commercial outlets, no stock is there. I pray that things move smoothly, our country moves smoothly, our city, especially Mumbai. Hardworking people, boss, they all need food. Lunch, dinner, snacks, tea.
The concerns come as domestic LPG is being prioritized over commercial cylinders used by restaurants. While fuel accounts only for 2% of restaurant spends, but without LPG, restaurants' kitchens simply cannot operate.
LPG, gasoline, kerosene, anything like that which is inflammable has got rules, and the rules that applies Arms and Explosive Act, which is a serious thing. So you can't keep more than that you are allowed to. So we need supply every day. There's no other way about it. We'll have to shut down. Okay, so now there will be black market at some point. There is no alternative. Your whole infrastructure is made for LPG, and we are fast-running restaurants. It's not like, we can move to electricity suddenly. So everything, the whole infrastructure for running a place is set up a certain way to deal with the kind of clientele that you deal with.
Restaurants are also bracing for pressure on profitability as global uncertainty weighs on discretionary spending.
When it comes to in-house, dine-in business, there is a drop clearly which has been noticed in the last 2 weeks. I am saying that the government needs to pay attention to this now, right now, before this goes into other areas also.
Industry bodies have reached out to the government for an uninterrupted commercial LPG supply, but a lot of it will depend on how the government takes steps and how long does the disruption due to the Middle East conflict last. This is Ridhima for NDTV Profit with camera person Prahlad Shinde.